Good morning to all traders and welcome to another Markets in Waves video. Today is Monday, the 29th of March. And as always, we are most likely going to have an interesting session. Well, from a trading perspective, Wednesday also is the end of the month, so I would be expecting some volatility and that to increase going to Wednesday. Now, today we have picked 5 interesting opportunities. As always, this Monday we're going to start with the US oil, then we're going to jump to dollar against the Turkish lira, pounds, silver, and also Tesla. So without further ado, let's get right to it. With oil, guys, we're talking about this, well, it's an impulsive correction ending down here, and we looked at the correction to 38.2 Fibonacci, and then we were looking for a move to the downside, or we said alternatively, in case we don't break below the previous low over here, it's very likely that this could like turn into a triangle or a flat pattern or something, well, like a double or three or a double zigzag. Over here, for now, I see a flat, okay, which means that this is probably wave 1 and wave 2, and we're going down for wave 3. Then we're going to get 4 and most likely 5 for wave 1, and then we're going to get 2, 3, 4, and 5 for C, yeah? And down here, of course, we're going to end this move. Now, where we're going to go to end that move, probably, you know, we're looking at perhaps around 53.69, or since we have a new low in and we have a correction in as well, what we can do is go all the way to the top, hold on, yeah, all the way to the top, down to A and up to B, and get the 61 and the 1 and the 78. So as you can see, the 54.81, well, 55 let's just call it, is definitely one level that is of interest because it's also a cluster between the 38.2 Fibonacci extension of the upside leg in wave, well, all the leg actually on the upside, which is wave A, yeah, and the 61.8 Fibonacci extension of waves A and B. So an interesting one to watch for sure. Now the second pair we're going to analyze is going to be the dollar against the Turkish lira. Although we've had a huge jump over here the other day after the sacking of the central banker from Erdogan, we corrected lower and we start moving up again. However, and to be honest, I don't really like this as an impulse, to be honest. It looks a bit corrective, but I would be expecting a break of this level to confirm that this is a correction or not. So in case we break up below 803 or so. For now, we have a low in, and we could assume that this is 1 and 2, and this is like a multi-structural move on the upside. We're going to get 4 and 5 for 8.7, which is going to be wave 3, minor 3, and then 4 and 5. Or the other scenario, which to me might be a bit more possible, more probable, because of the corrective structure that we've seen since the high or since the low as well. It could be a case that this is an ABC, this is another ABC, and we're going to see some sort of a flat pattern over here, and then move all the way up for wave 3. So this is the two scenarios I'm looking. Obviously, when we're talking about flats, it's very early as well in the second wave as well, which means it decreases also the chances of that turning into some sort of triangle or any other corrective pattern. Okay. Now we go back on the top and we're going to have a quick look on the pound. The pound, as you well know, we were looking at this move on the downside as a multi-structural impulse. We said about ending at 136.56. It didn't happen. We just missed that for a tiny bit. And then we started moving higher up. And we have been expecting this correction to take place. And it does look corrective over here as well. Now, with you know, with wave 1 here, over the black one, sub-BNU done, and you know, we've had an ABC correction over here, yeah, which is wave 4, and we didn't break above wave 1, as you can see. We came exactly on 38.14. So 138.14 is a level that we should pay really close attention to in the short term, because we can either get that to start being like a 1, 2 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for 3, 4, and 5, yeah. Or, guys, we could correct higher in, okay? And it's possible because this looks corrective so far. So it could be like a case that this is ABC, 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 and we get up here and we don't cross above the 138.97 and then we'll move all the way down. But here's where I'm looking, and that makes me be a bit more bearish than bullish, is this divergence over here on the RSI and on the MACD as well. So I mean, what I'm saying is that the chances of that continuing lower, at least for me, are bigger than the chances of moving higher. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get another top like this and then move lower, because as I said, this looks a little bit corrective. Where we're gonna go, well, we can just get that wave so far that we've done. Actually, because we've got 3, we should go down here really. So we're down to 61.8. This is where the rejection was received. So the next level up will be 138.33 first, okay? In case we get there, but as I said before, I doubt. Now, silver. Last week we talked about this potentially becoming, well, looks like an ending diagonal, and we were looking at the last leg on the downside. We were up here, yeah, we were up here, and now we moved lower, obviously. We didn't get to the bottom channel, but we got the 24.23 out, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci extension. And since it's this an ending diagonal as a last wave of a running flat, it's possible that we ended, which means this is an AB 2, 3, 4, 5 and a C. And that is 1 and 2, and I'm gonna say 3, 4, and 5. But it's also possible, okay, that because we missed this trend line over here, it's also possible that this is going to be, you know, we've got 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is 3, 4, and 5. We're going to get A and then B and C. That is also possible, okay? Or, you know, this is going to be like some sort of like open triangle or something. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here and 5. That is also possible. But in either case, I would be looking for the break above 25.37. This is what is going to really start bringing the game into a 50-50 case, like for the upside or for the downside. As long as we remain below that level, I'll be looking at another leg down to take out the this trend line low, and then a continuation, a reversal to the upside. That is going to be huge, obviously. So this is for silver as well. And Tesla, guys, I don't see much change. I think last time we've looked at it, we were going up over here. So we were expecting wave B to come in somehow, and then a continuation to the downside, okay, as it well came through the RSI MACD divergence signals as well. Now, though, the truth is that from up here and down there, we don't really look like we're impulsive, okay? We don't. So it could be a case where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, some sort of leading diagonal over here. So, which means that is like wave 1. We're gonna get 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a continuation down in wave C of 4, yeah? Or we're gonna get something like ABC over here, yeah? This is again, as you can see, well, it could be a leading diagonal over here, A, B, and then you've got a C, something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, which means, you know, we're gonna start being a little bit more corrective in here, okay? So you've got ABC, ABC, and ABC, and we're gonna move higher for wave B, a deeper wave B. To be honest, we only did like anywhere between 38.2 and 50, so we could move higher. The other scenario is like this is ABC, we're gonna get ABC again, and then we're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is gonna be a flat. Or the other scenario, guys, is ABC, then ABC, 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 ABC. This is gonna be a triangle. You know how it works when it comes to corrections, right? So we really need to pay attention where exactly are their lower lows or the lower highs or the higher lows, and so that we are able to receive a clear signals, more clear signals as to the duration of the extension and to the shape, the structure of the particular structure that we're looking at. So this will be all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would appreciate it if you click the like button. And in case you have any questions or any comments to make, do not hesitate to comment down on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll certainly speak again tomorrow.